October 19th, 1987. Black Monday. The largest percentage crash in stock market history. In a single day, the Dow Jones plummeted 22%. Panic was absolute. Nobody understood why. While traders were screaming in desperation on the floor, one man named Fink saw something different. He saw a lack of data. 1 year later, he and 7 partners locked themselves in a New York office to create a sentinel, a system to see the future. Today, that sentinel has become the central nervous system of global capitalism. It's called Aladdin. Welcome to the Shadow Ledger. Today, we go down the rabbit hole of the intelligence that owns everything. Aladdin belongs to BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager. But largest is an understatement. Currently, Aladdin oversees more than $21 trillion in assets. That is more than the entire GDP of the United States. Aladdin resides in 5 massive, secret data centers in Washington state. Thousands of servers processing trillions of calculations per second. It monitors every stock, every bond, every mortgage, and every commodity on the planet. It knows when a storm in Brazil will affect the price of your coffee. It uses that information to predict risk perfectly. Let's go back to 2008. The global financial system was melting down. Giant banks were evaporating. The Federal Reserve and the Treasury were in the dark. They didn't call economists. They called BlackRock. The US government handed the keys to its financial kingdom to a private AI. At that moment, the balance of power shifted forever. This creates a risk monoculture. If Aladdin decides to sell, everyone sells. The market becomes a script executed by a single machine. Investment firms, guided by Aladdin, started buying up entire neighborhoods. The algorithm decided that you shouldn't own a home. Aladdin is the engine behind ESG policies. It decides which companies deserve investment and which should be financially suffocated. The free market died in 1988. What we have today is a theater. What Aladdin is the director and the screenwriter. Fink said Aladdin is like air. You don't see it, but you can't live without it. He was right. If Aladdin controls capital, and capital controls politics, who really governs you? The Great Reset happened in silence, inside cooled servers in Washington state, while you were sleeping. See you in the next entry.